Mhm. There's what's known as the public policy. Yeah. The aims and goals of the law in promoting the general welfare of the people. Yeah. Public policy. And then there's that police record, a court file in which records are kept of those that have been convicted of a crime or crimes. Other records are kept of those that have been arrested but are awaiting trial for alleged crimes. Yeah. Mm. Now, this public policy, yes, there's what's known as the political process, the method by which candidates for public office are nominated and elected. In a democracy, the people are responsible for this process. Now, the aims and the goals of the law, yeah. I'm concerned that the laws that have been passed, yes, that should be enforced, right? They are not accomplishing their aims and their goals. Yep. Now we have what's known as the general welfare of the people, where I document in emails, yes, that my rights are being violated, that my sons were taken without any of the requirements of law. And the law is not accomplishing what it's aimed to do or the goal of it. Yeah. Now, this is a very important process. Yes. Let's say that I inform you that my rights are being violated. Yes. And the aim and the goal of the law, yeah, in promoting the general welfare of the people, yes, is that the rights of the people are always enforced. That is the aim and the goal. Now, for some reason, there are those in office that took it upon themselves to no longer want to accomplish, yes, what is known as the aim and the goal of the law. See, we passed these laws with more than a belief, with the thought, yes, thinking that every time we pass a law, yes, the law that is passed has an aim and a goal. Now, for some reason, yes, somebody got it into their minds, yes, that we can completely disregard what the aim and the goal of the law is, yes, and then we can violate the general welfare of the people. Yeah. Are you sitting there today? And you're asking yourselves what I'm going to do. Well, I gave you the evidence of crime. The evidence of crime is that the aim and the goal of the law, yes, is that you prosecute any evidence that you have of crime. A lot of police officers got this confused. Yep. They thought that they could make up fake crimes, yes, saying that somebody was someplace, right? You could have the innocent person arrested, yes. You could make them go to court numerous times, right? And then you could violate their right to get notice of court hearings, yes. And then you could use fraudulent mental health evaluations to dismiss cases. That is not the aim and the goal of the law. Now, this general welfare of the people, yes. Let's say I look through the United States. There are numerous citizens in this nation, yeah, approximately 350 million of them. And you said we do not have to take in consideration the people of the United States. We do not have to consider the idea, right, that when you violate the aim and the goal of the law, that it does or does not. It's a question, yes. Of all the people of the United States, yes. See, there's the concept of the general welfare, yeah. The general welfare, yeah. For whatever reason, this county, yes, and this state, got it in their minds, yeah, that as long as you bribe police officers, yes, you bribe judges, Right. And you bribe those elected to office, right, that you can do whatever you want and it will not have any effect on the general welfare of the population. You know, the population. The 350 million Americans, the citizens of the United States. You're going to establish the precedent that when police officers say that you are someplace, right, well, you're going to prosecute them, the individuals that they arrest. But when the individual gives you the evidence that they weren't at that place, right, you're you're gonna just continue to deny the existence of the general welfare of the population. Now, I know it's difficult, but when you consider what you've done, yes, on on December 31st of 2015, yes, I sent numerous emails that day and the day before, yes, and somebody was obstructing all my emails. Now, I gave you some pictures. Yes, there was one email that did get through. Yeah, that was to myself. Yes, Heidi Budnick. Yes, and the pro bono legal representation of Voss, that happened to be the attorney firm right now. Now, I'm not so stupid. The general welfare of the population. Now, obviously, I had no intention of contacting Heidi Budnick. Yes, but I made sure. Yes, that if anybody said right now, well, I'd just drag into court the Attorney General's law firm that he happens to be a partner of, and I'd sue them right now. I'd sue that law firm for allowing for any of this to happen. Now, you have obstructed my right, yes, to have my sons, yes. And when I'm able to use the courts, Voss is going to get a lawsuit. You understand the general welfare of the population? Now, for you to say that I was attempting to contact the petitioner, yeah, I really wasn't. But I had a little gamble. Yes, I needed to see, yes, if somebody had knowledge that I was emailing while I was emailing. Oh. And if they let that one email go through, on December 30th and 31st, yes, they did. I could prove it in a court of law.